Hi guys, welcome to the 7 Minutes Challenge. Delicious meals ready in 7 minutes or less. Please watch till the end for a chance to win some cool prizes. Without further ado, let's get to the video. So today we're making jacket potato. Let's just look at the ingredients. We got a frozen jacket potato here. We got some Coronation chicken sandwich filler. Got some coleslaw. Some half a cup of cheddar cheese. And some Lurpak salted butter. And salt and pepper to taste. First we're going to microwave our jacket potato for 6 minutes. So now we've taken out the potato from the microwave. We're going to add our ingredients. So first of all, we're going to open it up a little bit. Add a dollop of butter. Add some of our Coronation chicken. And the cheese on top. And a bit of coleslaw on the side. And then just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, your jacket potato is ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of these. If you have a recipe that you want to share, please let us know. We are giving away some cool prizes every month. In the meantime, take care and see you in the next one.